In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subproduct within Product Selector in BigCommerce. Think of subproducts as the individual choices a shopper can make, like size or color, that create distinct variants with their own SKU, price, image, and inventory. We'll set these up so your storefront shows a clean selector, like a drop-down or color swatches, right on the product page. Start by opening your BigCommerce admin and either creating a new product or opening an existing one you want to enhance. Make sure the basics are in place: a clear product name, a concise description, and at least one main image. This parent product acts as the container for all of the subproducts you're about to add. If you already have a catalog structure, confirm the product is in the right category so customers can find it easily. Next, head to the product's Options or Variants tab. Here, create the option or options your customers will choose from. For example, add an option called Size with values like small, medium, and large. If you also sell different colors, create a color option and list the shades you carry. You can choose how each option is displayed: drop-downs, radio buttons, or swatches, depending on your theme and what makes the most sense. Keep option names simple and consistent. That helps shoppers and makes reporting cleaner later on. Once your options and values are set, BigCommerce will generate the variants, which are the unique combinations of those values, like small red or large blue. Each variant can be customized. Assign a unique SKU if you track them individually, set specific prices or sale prices when needed, and define inventory per variant, so out-of-stock combinations are properly disabled. You can also upload a variant image so the product photo updates when a shopper selects a particular option. This is especially helpful for colors and patterns. If some combinations don't exist, simply disable those variants so they won't be purchasable. When everything looks good, save your changes and publish the product. Visit the storefront to preview it. You should now see the product selector appear based on your theme's settings. This might be drop-downs, swatches, or radio buttons. Try selecting a few combinations to confirm that images change correctly. Prices reflect any variant-specific adjustments, and the Add to Cart button is available only for in-stock variants. If needed, return to the product to tweak option order, rename values, or update inventory. That's it. With your variants in place, customers can choose the exact subproduct they want right from the main product page, making their shopping experience smooth and your catalog clean and scalable.